Namaste students and welcome to one more day of prose class. I hope you all must have got accustomed to the new normal, that is learning online. Let me put up a riddle to you. Here it goes. I can come in a range but I am not options. I am tall but I am not a tower. I can be climbed but I am not a tree. I am often covered in snow but I am not an igloo. I have a peak but I am not a cap. Can you think? Let me give you a hint. It looks something like this. Yes, you got it right. It is mountains. Do you get fascinated by mountains? Some may say yes and some may say no. Today we'll watch a story of an incredible woman who was so greatly enchanted by the mountains that she scaled it not once but twice.
Reach for the Top, Part 1, Santosh Yadav. Santosh Yadav was born on 10th October 1967 in Joniawas village in Rewari district of Haryana state. She is the sixth child in a family of five boys. When her mother was expecting Santosh, a traveling holy man blessed her, assuming that she wanted a son. But to his surprise, the family wanted a girl, and the request was granted immediately. She didn't wear Indian traditional dresses, but preferred shorts and always chose rational path. At 16, most of the girls in her village used to get married, but she continued her studies first in Delhi, then in Jaipur. She attended Maharani College in Jaipur. At Maharani College, she was able to see the Aravalli Hills from her room. She used to see mountainous from the window. She was inspired to see the mountaineers traveling, and she decided to join the Uttarakashi Nehru Institute of Mountaineering while successfully continuing her studies for the Indian Administrative Services exam in a hostel provided by the Indian Mountaineering Foundation at Connaught Place, New Delhi. Her parents were not aware of her expedition plan, and thus she wrote an apology letter. She underwent rigorous training and showed great climbing skills and teamwork. Her climbing skills matured rapidly, and Santosh Yadav scaled Everest in 1992, becoming the youngest woman in the world to achieve this feat and making the country proud. Within 12 months of her achievement, she became a member of an Indo-Nepalese women's expedition and scaled Everest the second time, thus setting the record as the only woman to have scaled the Everest twice. This is the Indo-Nepalese women's expedition where she got the privilege to climb the summit for the second time. The culmination of her hard work and sincerity, she reached her goal. There she is, standing, smiling, realizing her dream come true. In 2001, she led mountaineering team to east face of Mount Everest. East face is also called as the Kangshung face. It is the eastern facing side of Mount Everest, one of the Chinese sides of the mountain. It is considered to be the dangerous route of ascent. In recognition of her achievements, the Indian government bestowed upon her one of the India's top honors, the Padma Shri. She worked as an officer in the Indo-Tibetan Border Police. Here, she is taking an oath at the time of joining the Indo-Tibetan Border Police. She was a part of the nine-nation international climbing camp cum expedition in Nunkun in 1989. She is known for her concern for other climbers. During the 1992 Everest mission, Santosh Yadav provided special care to a climber who lay dying at the South Col. She was unfortunately unsuccessful in saving him. However, she managed to save another climber, Mohan Singh, who would have met with the same fate had she not shared her oxygen with him. Also a fervent environmentalist, Santosh collected and brought about 500 kilograms of garbage from the Himalayas. Santosh Yadav was felicitated by ex-Prime Minister Shri I.K. Gujral. She was a great pal of Bachendri Pal, who in 1984 was the first Indian woman to reach the summit of Mount Everest.
I hope this story has motivated you enough to strive towards your goal. If Santosh Yadav had impressive climbing skills, physical fitness, and mental strength, you may have other qualities or skills as an asset. You just need to believe in yourselves and start working on it to reach to the top. Thank you for joining. Enjoy learning.